What's going on, everybody? So this is actually the secret. This is the signal that I shared on Monday. Eurochef shot all the way to the downside. Even right now it's still running in profit. This is Euro USD. This signal was sent I think on Wednesday or Thursday, I'm not so sure, but then the 24th was on Wednesday. Yes, the 24th was Wednesday, early as you can see, and then the guys traded the signal we milked. So this is how we trade with you trade with GABA, excuse me. So this is how I do my tradings. I analyze, then later on the results. This is Euro USD, this is GBP USD. These are just the results, man. GBP USD, Euro USD was still going down, and definitely the final piece. So from this signal we got a pay of about 120 pips. Yes, 120 pips. And yeah, man, NASDAQ technical 3 signal, it was our 5-minute strategy that I'm working on right now. So this is how we actually get involved in the market. We analyze the piece, and then everything is set, and then wait for the market to actually play out along, so now, okay, fine. This is screenshot of students. So as you can see, NASDAQ played out beautiful. NASDAQ played out beautiful, as you can see, like our forex traders, everyone. So this is the final piece. As you can see, the market went from the upside to the downside. Then this usually demand zone pushed to the upside. So this is where this trading currently. So yeah, man, this is how we trade with that.